record. Okay, so now I will demonstrate you how to record, and it is always better that you record with your voice so that other people can understand what you are trying to tell or convey. Okay, so Chandu Garu has given us an assignment. Okay, we have delayed it because of several other reasons. We will discuss about that later. I have already coded it, I have executed it, and I have checked that it is working fine or not before recording this video. So I have copied that code here. And now I want to create a Python what do you say, Python folder. Okay, from there I would want to get into PyCharm. Okay, so let me share my screen, and then we will see what will happen. I will show you each and everything. Share. So now we are sharing the screen, right? So this is the file I was referring to. So let us pull this. Yeah. Okay, this is the file, and this is the complete code. Okay, that is working. And now I wanted to create a file in this directory because all my works normally are there here. So after you move to that folder, you right click. Okay, right click and say open folder as PyCharm community edition project. So that is how we start the community edition project. So we are initiating that. So now give some time to PyCharm because it will take scanning files for index modules, all that stuff will happen, and it will also convey towards your bottom right saying that Python 3.11 has been configured as a project interpreter. If we want to change the interpreter, we can go and change. You can configure that different interpreters can be configured after installing. So that is the option there. Okay. So now this is finished. So we click in the empty space, then we go file, and then we say new, and then Python file. Okay, then my talking assistant. Okay, or you can say my virtual talking assistant. That can also be there. Okay, then I pressed enter. So I've copied this earlier. Okay, Control C and then Control V. Okay, now I have completed. Then if I want, I can debug, or I can directly go to run. But what you have to observe is whether this execution will happen with the current file or something else, because we have so many other files, right? If we have not closed other files, what will happen is all the other files will be listed, and most probably that will be executed when you press this or run, or when you do debug, it goes and debugs that. But now that we have already checked, this is how you can debug. You can debug and wait for it. It says something, then you say you can just copy it. Suppose let us copy this and check what will happen. So here I'm copying that. That's it. Okay. Since it is in the while loop, okay, then you can say something else. So suppose let us copy this and paste it here. Okay. Then hello and good morning. Okay, this is Amrit Kumar Sala. May I know your name, please? Okay, there's a question mark. Okay, that is the kind of conversation. So then I say goodbye. Okay. So, but when we are giving, in the while, we have given goodbye as small letters, right? This goodbye is in small letters. But if you observe here, we have seen goodbye. In goodbye, we have given G as capital, B as capital. What this does is, this converts this goodbye to goodbye because of this function, lower. So the complete text will be converted to the lower. Okay. It is not all caps. You can also change with caps. Okay. So that's the requirement. So that's it. Nothing else. So you can, I would want you to record your own video and then share it with Chandu garu. Okay. So that's the end of it. Nothing else. Okay. Okay then. Bye. Take care.